Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install the ChargePoint app. So let's get started. So to download and install the ChargePoint, you have to open your Play Store or your Apple Store. Then at here, you will directly search for the ChargePoint. Okay. Search it here at ChargePoint app. You can see it. Okay. So as you can see, it's not in India, so it's showing like it wouldn't work in this device. So you can use it on your device, like example like this. You can directly click on the install button and it will be installed. So this is how to install the ChargePoint app into a phone. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.